If you've lost one of your original AirPods and need to pair a replacement, don't worry. You can connect a new AirPod to your existing set and charging case as long as they are compatible. Begin by unpairing your AirPods from your device through the Settings app. Then select Bluetooth and tap the information button next to your AirPods to choose Forget this device. Next, place both the new and old AirPods in the charging case with the lid open. The status light should flash amber. Press and hold the setup button until the light flashes white. Then hold the case and close your device and tap Connect on the setup animation that appears. Ensure both AirPods are of the same generation and compatible with your charging case. You can verify this in your device's Bluetooth settings. If you face issues, charge your case, check that both AirPods are charged, and clean them if you're having audio issues.